Hello students, how are you? I am your Jahid sir and welcome to the Jahid sir's math class. Today we are going to solve this question number 4 from exercise 1.5 10th standard about logarithms. Okay, first question in 4th Roman log 1000, and second one is log 128 by 625. So first this one log 1000, base nothing is there, so you can take 10 there. Now 1000 divided into prime factors, 2 5s are 10, 0 0, again even number, so 2 2s are 5s are 0, again even number, 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 5s are. Now it is divisible with 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. Now 5 5s are 25. How can we write 1000? Log 2 cube into 5 cube. 3 5s are there. 1 2 3 to the base 10. This is in the form of log xy to the base a is equal to log x to the base a plus log y to the base a. Is it? We use this formula here, into is there, that's why like this formula. So write log 2 cube to the base 10 plus log 5 cube to the base 10. Now again cube is there, that's why what formula we are going to use here? Log x power m to the base a is equal to m log x to the base a. By using this formula, we can write these exponents in front. So 3 log 2 to the base 10 plus log 3 to the base, log 3 log 5 to the base 10. You can remove 10 here. Nothing is there means 10 is there. That's why we can write this answer into log 2, 3 log 2 plus 3 log 5. Nothing is there means base is 10. Now look at this question now. Here how can we write this one? By is there, so log x by y to the base a is equal to log x to the base a minus log y to the base a. By using this formula, we divide it into log. You can write 10 also here base, nothing is there means 10. That's why here 128 to the base 10 minus log 625 to the base 10. Now write the prime factors of these two numbers. 128 even number, so divide 2 6 ja 2 4 ja 2 3 ja 2 2 ja 2 1 ja 2 6 ja 2 8 ja 2 4 ja 2 2 ja. Now 625, it is divisible with 5 only. 5 1 ja 2 ja 5 ja, again 5 2 ja 10, 5 5 ja 25. Next 5 5 ja, means how can we write this one? Log 2 power 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 2 power 7 to the base 10 minus log 625 can be written as 1 2 3 4, 5 power 4 to the base 10. Again we use this formula only here, means log x power m to the base a is equal to m log x to the base a. By using this formula, how can we write these exponents? We should write here in front. So 7 log 2 to the base 10 minus 4, you should write here 4 log 5 to the base 10. Now remove this 10, no need to write. 7 log 2 minus 4 log 5. Here base is nothing means 10 is there. This one is the second question answer. Yes, now third question, log x square into y cube into z power 4. Here all having into only. We can write this one. How can we write? Log, we can take base 10, x square y cube z power 4 to the base 10. All are having into, that's why use this formula only. Log x into y to the base a is equal to log x to the base a plus log y to the base a. By using this formula we can write expanded form is equal to log x square to the base 10 plus log y cube to the base 10 plus log z power 4 to the base 10. Okay, is it understood? Now exponents are there. By using this formula again, log x power m to the base a is equal to m log x to the base a. Okay, you can write exponents in front only. So here 2 log x to the base 10 plus here write 3 here 3 log y to the base 10 plus you can write 4 here 4 log z to the base 10, and then remove all tens there, no need to write. If nothing is there means base is 10. So 2 log x plus 3 log y plus 4 log z. This one is our answer. Here nothing means 10 is their base. Is it? Now let us check the next question, fourth one. What is fourth question? Log p square q cube by r. This is our question. Now here by is there, that's why first we will take here base 10, no confusion about that. When you take base 10 you can use formulas also by without confusing to the base 10. Now here by is there, that's why first we divide this one, means log x by y to the base a is equal to log x to the base a minus, when by comes minus, log y to the base a. By using this formula we can divide this, expand this one, log p square q cube and then minus, by is there, so minus log r to the base 10. Again by using this formula, into is there, so here also 10, into is there, so expand this one, means log p square to the base 10 plus log q cube by to the base 10, q cube to the base 10 minus log r to the base 10. Okay, now by using this one, second formula again here, exponents right front side. So here this one is 2 log p to the base 10 plus this one, you should write 3 here, 3 log q to the base 10 minus log r to the base 10. By using log x power m to the base a is equal to m log x to the base a, this formula. Is it understood? Now remove this 10, no need to write 10 there. If nothing is there means 10 is there. So this one is 2 log p plus 3 log q minus log r. This one is our fourth one answer. Okay, let us check next to fifth question. Okay, now fifth question in exercise 1.5 fourth Roman. Now what is fifth question? Log square root x cube by y square. We can write this one. How can we write? Log x cube by y square whole power 1 by 2 we can write. Okay, this square root means 1 by 2 exponent, and we should take this one also. Now expand this. Log 1 by 2, this one is for numerator and denominator both, whole power 1 by 2 is there. So x power 3 whole power 1 by 2 by y square whole power 1 by 2 to the base 10. Okay, now log exponential form a power m whole power n is equal to a power mn. That's why how can we write this one? X power 3 1 ja 3 by 2, this one, by y power 2 1 ja 2 by 2, 2 by 2 means 1, this one, to the base 10. Okay, what is that last value? Log x power 3 by 2 by y to the base 10. Now we can write this one, by is there, that's why log x by y to the base a is equal to log x to the base a minus log y to the base a. By using this formula we can expand this one. Log x power 3 by 2 to the base 10 minus log y to the base 10. Okay, now here again exponent comes, that's why you should write exponent here by using log x power m to the base a is equal to m log x to the base a. By using this formula you can write this exponent in front. So 3 by 2 log x base 10 minus log y to the base 10. So remove this 10 also. What we will get? 3 by 2 log x minus log y. This is our answer. Here log x means log x to the base 10. Here log y means log y to the base 10. This is the fourth Roman answers. Okay, if you like, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.